This is the WA Hero Builder. This makes life really easy to create a cool hero graphic with CTA, call to action. So the very first thing on our website is this, what you're looking at here. This was created with the Hero Builder that we built, that we created. So I want to create a new one for affiliates. And what I want to do is place that beneath this series of graphics here. So here's how this works. Let's go over to the admin area, and we're using WA Hero Builder Pro. Pro has some things that the light version that we offered does not. It's a lot better actually. So this is what we created on the home page already, but we're going to do this from scratch just to show you how quick and easy and simple this is. So the first thing we're going to do is give this a title. I want this to be my affiliate hero, and would help if we spelled that correctly. So background type, I can do an image. This is also programmed so I can do a video, but we're going to keep to image right now. Display mode is hero, which includes the buttons and the text, or you can just do media only for a really nice hero image. But we're gonna do everything full blown hero with CTA. The width. So contained and full width, it depends on how your template is set up. Most of the time, full width or contained usually end up being the same. Again, depending how your template is built, it doesn't have to be that way. Full width is the amount of area you have. If your screen on your website is 80%, it fills the full 80%. If you want this to go edge to edge, you can do a breakout. It breaks out of the barriers and runs the full screen width, which is cool. I use that a lot actually. But right now we're going to keep it contained. I want to select a background image. I already have an image selected that I want to upload. Let's see if we can find that quickly. Let's go into here, let's go into SEO, and let's go into cheap WordPress plugins. That's the one, my affiliate hero image. All I'm going to do is bring that in. I can put an alt text in here, but I have an app that'll do that for me. I'm not going to get into that now. I'm going to use this image. And we have our background graphic. Visibility controls, I do want to show an overlay, a headline, a subheadline, and buttons. So my headline could be something simple like join, let's do a capital, our partner. Let's do this all in caps and just make it a little more visible. Join our partner program. Do an exclamation point. Subheadline. And I'm going to say list our plugins and website, then earn dollars on any sales. Simple. Okay, I want my primary button to say we have a separate, we don't, at the moment, I don't have a separate page. Everything's combined on one page. So we'll just use one button for now, and we'll say learn more. And the primary button URL. So I'm going to open up for a second. You guys won't see this on this particular screen. We're going to go to the Partner with Us page that was already created for this. And now I'm just going to copy and paste that URL down here. I'll come back in a moment. We'll do a second button. The rest of this, basically, I can left align it. I can play with the arrangement of the graphic if I don't like it. I can do hero media height or mobile height. inner content with. It gives you a lot of options, this app, to really create something nice. The text color, keep it white. Now this is where the overlay happens. Sometimes you want to do the overlay, most of the time you want to do the overlay so that the text is readable. And you have what percentage of opacity you want to start with, what you want to end with. Again, depends on your image, depends on your text, but we're going to keep all the parameters the way they are for the moment. We'll go back up to the top and I'm going to hit publish. And you'll see above the publish box it already has a short code. So I'm just going to copy that out. I'm going to leave this screen for a minute and go to my pages. I'm going to hit my home page and I'm just going to paste it in right there. That's where I want it. I'm going to hit update and let's go hit the live page. So we've got our first hero that we created a while back. Then we've got the series of graphics. And now our next block is what we just created in literally less than 2 minutes. Join our partner program, list our plugins and website, then earn dollars on any sale, learn more, and when you click on the learn more button, it'll take you to the page I want to take you to. I said I'd go back and show you if you add a second button. Sometimes you want to take them to learn more about something and then a second button to purchase it. So we'll go back to WA Hero Builder Pro. We'll go to Affiliate Hero. And very quickly we'll add a secondary button. These are from other things that we've done in the past. Let's do this. View our plugins. And then I'm going to get the link to where my plugins are. You're not seeing me do this, but I'm doing this. And now I'm just going to paste this in really quick. I can go back up, hit update, and let's go to the live site. Let's scroll down. And you're going to see now there is a second button. And it says view our plugins, and it takes you to the categories page. So real simple to use, super effective. You don't have to be a graphics expert. You don't have to be a designer. The plugin does everything you want it to do. I'll show you one quick thing. I'm going to go back to the admin area for a moment. And we'll come back to the Hero Builder Pro, Affiliate Hero. So I can start this overlay. Let's do it at 0 and see what happens. And then we'll hit update. And now we'll go back to the live page. And I don't know if you can tell from the last screen that I showed you, but it's going to be a little bit darker here. You can play with the fade on the overlay. And that is our hero tool.